Hello everyone, I'm Jordi from Wenxing. Today I'm going to introduce this machine. Let me show you the outlook. It weighs 8 kilograms and is very easy to operate. This part is the fuel tank seat, including rear handle, trigger control arm, and the fuel port. The fuel tank capacity is 550 milliliters. This is the throttle. We can control it to adjust the force. The main switch is up here. And this is the starter assist. Starting trigger is the key to start the machine. And this is the engine, which has the 45cc displacement, and the maximum output is 1.7 kilowatt. Look, is the oil port. The tank capacity is 260 milliliters. This is the front handle, the brake handle. Finally, let's look at the gas bar and the stall trim. We have length of 18 inches and 20 inches. If you are interested in our product, please contact us, a great manufacturer in China.